Good afternoon, students. Welcome to today's Environmental Studies Part 1 class. Yes, children, any guesses? Can you recall what are the different purposes for which we need water? Please think and tell the answer. Yes, we got the answer. That we need water to satisfy all our basic needs. For example, we need water for cooking. We need water for taking shower, for cleaning our body. We also need water to clean our house and our surrounding. Water is also used in factories. Water is also used on farms. In short, we can tell that water is used in each and every part of the life. Can you tell? Just listen carefully and think and answer well. The picture above shows some containers used for storing water at home. Yes, first question. Which of these have come into use more recently? Of course, we can see in the picture that the containers which are made of fiber are used recently. As we know that fiber is cheaper than copper and steel. Yes, one more question. What material are used to make these different containers which are shown above in the picture? Any guesses? Yes, we use brass, copper, steel, mud, fiber, etc. to make above containers. Yes, to make the topic more clear, let us have one more question. What are the advantages of having a lid and a tap on the container? Yes, the advantages of having a lid and the tap on the container is that water doesn't get contaminated. Here, contaminated is a new term for you. Yes, contaminated means the water does not get impure. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. Earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots. Here the word earthen means the pots which are made up of mud were used to store water. Ask your parents or grandparents for the names by which these different pots were known. People also built tanks in their houses to store. As we all know that water is a basic need of man, and even man and human being, that is animals and all, we cannot live without water. So we must take care of drinking water to ensure good hygiene. Your hygiene means good health. We must have safe drinking water. If we consume contaminated water, your contaminated means impure water, it can cause diseases. That is why we must take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking.